Hello guys, welcome back. Looking for top 5 compact news camera. For mobile journalists in 2025, mobile journalists need cameras that are compact, powerful, and ready for action. Whether reporting from the street or streaming on the go, these compact news cameras offer excellent video quality, pro-level audio, and easy portability. Perfect tools for capturing breaking stories anytime, anywhere. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Sony ZV-E10 II. The Sony ZV-E10 II is a game-changer for mobile journalists seeking professional-grade visuals in a compact, travel-friendly package. Building on the success of its predecessor, the ZV-E10 II features a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, 4K 60 frames per second video recording, and enhanced real-time eye autofocus, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced news, interviews, and on-the-go content with sharp clarity. Designed with creators in mind, it boasts a fully articulating touchscreen, improved wind noise reduction, and a directional 3-capsule mic with a detachable windscreen for clean broadcast quality audio. Connectivity is seamless with USB-C live streaming support, fast file transfers, and vertical video recording. Lightweight and versatile, the ZV-E10 II supports interchangeable lenses and offers advanced stabilization for smooth handheld footage, even in dynamic environments. Whether you're reporting from the streets or streaming live updates, this camera delivers pro-level performance in the palm of your hand, empowering journalists to tell compelling stories anywhere, anytime. Number 4. Canon PowerShot V10. The Canon PowerShot V10 is a pocket-sized powerhouse designed for content creators and mobile journalists on the move. With its ultra-compact form factor and intuitive controls, the V10 makes high-quality video production effortless and portable. It features a 1.0-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording sharp 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 60 frames per second, delivering broadcast-worthy footage in nearly any setting. The built-in stereo microphones and wind filter ensure crystal-clear audio, while the integrated stand and wide-angle lens make it easy to film yourself or your surroundings without extra gear. A flip-up touchscreen adds flexibility for vlogging or tight-angle shots. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, uploading content or live streaming is seamless. Whether you're reporting from the streets or capturing interviews in the field, the Canon PowerShot V10 offers professional quality in your pocket, making it the perfect tool for agile, on-the-go storytelling. Number 3. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a powerful and ultra-portable camera designed for mobile journalists, vloggers, and content creators on the go. Featuring a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, delivering crisp detail and vibrant colors even in low-light conditions. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures smooth, cinematic footage, no matter how dynamic the scene. The Osmo Pocket 3 boasts a fully articulating 2-inch OLED touchscreen, making framing shots and reviewing footage effortless. With advanced face tracking, Active Track 6.0, and intuitive gesture controls, it keeps you focused and centered without extra gear. It supports direct audio input, wireless mic connectivity, and USB-C fast charging, enhancing its field readiness. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, it's built for mobility without compromising quality. Whether you're reporting live from the streets or capturing interviews in tight spaces, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the perfect tool for professional storytelling anytime, anywhere. Number 2. Insta360X4. The Insta360X4 is the ultimate compact camera for mobile journalists, combining cutting-edge technology with unmatched portability. With stunning 8K 360-degree video recording, the X4 captures every angle with cinematic clarity, allowing creators to reframe shots in post and never miss a moment. Its advanced AI-powered editing tools streamline content creation on the go, perfect for fast-paced news environments. The X4 features a rugged, weather-resistant design, making it ideal for field reporting in any condition. Flow state stabilization ensures ultra-smooth footage, even when you're on the move. With up to 135 minutes of battery life, real-time voice control, and seamless wireless connectivity, it's built for continuous, hands-free reporting. Whether you're live streaming breaking news or producing immersive feature stories, the Insta360 X4 empowers journalists to tell stories from every angle. Literally, lightweight, powerful, and versatile, it's the go-to camera for modern storytelling. Capture everything. Miss nothing. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix G100D. The Panasonic Lumix G100D is a powerful yet ultra-compact, mirrorless camera designed specifically for mobile journalists and content creators on the go. Built with a 20.3 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, it delivers crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 60 frames per second, making it perfect for vlogging, field interviews, and fast-paced reporting. The G100D's standout feature is its OZO audio by Nokia, offering crystal-clear directional sound without external mics, ideal for capturing voice in noisy environments. With its lightweight design, articulating touchscreen, and intuitive controls, it's easy to use even in fast-moving, unpredictable scenarios. The camera supports USB charging and can double as a high-quality webcam via plug-and-play functionality, perfect for live reporting. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make content transfer and remote control seamless. Whether you're streaming, shooting YouTube news clips, or filing reports from the street, the Lumix G100D delivers professional-grade results in a pocket-sized package. Compact, capable, made for mobile journalism. So guys, that's all for the Top 5. Compact news camera for mobile journalists in 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.